Hello, it's a wild windy day on the Ouse again. Storm Amy I think it's called, and we had a lot of rain yesterday, so we're fishing in quite a big flood. River's still coming up. I think it'll probably burst its banks later on today. So yeah, a bit more floodwater fishing. Got rod out already. Fishing single boilie, malarkey, which is my active bait solutions. Seems fairly quiet. I thought I might have seen a fish or two roll while I was getting set up with, normally when Ouse is rising it seems to spark them into action, but I don't see a single fish move, so it might not be an easy day, but I thought it was, oh great, big flood, come here, catch a couple of fish. And yeah, but there we go. I'm getting top bottom. Bad barbel. Water barbel, be a good 8-pound fish there. Nice fish. Get him slip back. So I might give him a little weight because I think it's heavier than 8-pound. I think it'd be just curious. Just give him a resting net while I get it sorted out. Yeah, exactly £9 it is. I thought it was quite a heavy fish. I'll have a quick look before we slip him back. There we go, nice £9 barbel. £9 Ouse barbel. Let's talk you through the rig I'm using. It's the rig I normally use, so most people who have seen my videos before will know what I'm using. £12 Drennan braid, 15mm boilie, Malarkey, Active Bait Solutions Malarkey, size 10 Guru's Super MWG. I've gone back to that because I tried the Drennan Barbel ones and I've just wanted, even though we're a sharper hook, but just works. I just didn't think it was strong enough, especially for this kind of fishing in floodwater for big fish. So I've gone back to my tried and tested hooks. Hook link's tied to a size 8 ring swivel. It's got a shock bead above that the run ring and lead slides down to. Flower ounce lead. That's all you need in these conditions. And above that is an RO bead and a line stop. That line stop's really important on days like today because it really stops the willow leaves from sliding right down and just stops them getting near your hook link where they're likely to catch on your hook. So yeah, that's the rig I'm using anyway. Let's get back out so we can get the one caught. So, river's well up today because it's Storm Amy. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's rising fast. It's going to be a really big flood. It's already a big flood. And yeah, I like these conditions for catching bigger barbel. It's the sort of conditions where big barbel tend to come on feed. Rising river, so see how we get on, so if we can get one or two caught. Hole number 2 hooked up. That was another good fish, but it's hard to tell in these strong, currents are that strong. No, it's not as big as the last one. Give me a run around though. There we go. That's barbel number 2 in the net. 2 in 2 casts. I'm quite happy with that. Plenty of time left, so I can hopefully get 1 or 2 more. I'll show you this just so you can see, how big a flood it is. Those willows normally on bank, so it's, good sized flood. I think this is a barbel. Could be a chub, this. Well, I don't know. Could just be a small barbel, I think. What we got? Yeah, probably a small barbel, I'm guessing. Yeah, little barbel. There we go, barbel number 3. Hello, little one. Yeah, slip back. Well, that's it for today. It's just got 3:30 and I've got to get off, so quite pleased with that session. 3 fish, can't really complain at that. One quite nice fish as well, 9-pounder. I'm sure if I stayed on I could get 1 or 2 more, but I've got things I need to get home and do. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.